Where are we today, Hooney Nooney?
What Prathat? I can't remember the name of it. What Prathat?
Something in Phetchabun. It's pretty spectacular when you see it on the road and you're riding up to it. You will never miss it on Route 21 here, going to Phetchabun. So yeah, have a look at this. I'll spin you around. Check this out, it'll blow your mind. Just amazing, right? And there's another temple just here. Surrounded by them. So cool, right? So nice. It's not too busy here today either. It's not holiday. So yeah, it's pretty chilled out. So we'll just have a wander around, and it's just beautiful up here in the mountains.
How the weather today?
It's so nice, so cold. I reckon it's probably less than 20 degrees, which is just weird for Thailand for me. So we'll wander around here and have a look.
To take off the shoe
Yeah.
and get inside.
Take off your shoes, and then you get a chance to see a beautiful pagoda. Versys.
Set out on the open road, same old place you always used to go when you were younger. You're speeding through a 50 song like your dad before, you didn't even notice. The old man with silver hair sitting in his rocking chair. Soon you'll be there. Although it's easy to remember, it's as easy to forget. but it leaves you feeling down and filled with some regrets. All this trick of the memory, we'll call them good old days. Although sweet in the moment, it's poison for you.
So we've got a little bit of a mystery rattle. I think it's just the chain being too loose. I'm pretty confident that's what it is. It's fairly loose, and it might just be slapping against the chain guide. But it concerned me because I thought it was the main drive sprocket, not the rear one, but the front one. I thought that was just coming a bit loose. It just sounded funny. But at any rate, we'll try and adjust this chain a little bit. Equal both sides. Okay, I think we're good. Let's put the split pin back in. Now time will tell if we've actually fixed it. But anyway, the chain's a bit tighter. It's got about an inch of free play, which is usually what I like to have. So hey, that could have been the problem. It could be something more serious. Hopefully it's not. Anyway, we'll take the big girl for a run and see how she goes.